This is lesson 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, exercise 3.2, and the question number is 4. First I read the question. The given linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. So in this problem, the linear equation, one linear equation is given. We asked to find out the another linear equation. Here they given three scenarios which are intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. Let's solve one by one. First I write the given linear equation first. And before we start the problem, let me write the standard format of the pair of linear equation, which is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. So we know that here a1 is 2 and a2 is 3, b1 is 3 and c1 equals minus 8. And for the intersecting lines, the equation is, we all know that a1 by a2 is not equals b1 by b2. Let me substitute the value a1 and b1, we already know from the given equation. So for a1 2 not equals for b1 3. So what to write for a2 and b2? You may write any number to satisfy this condition, which means I put 3 for a2, 5 for b2. So here what is written for a2? a2 is 3 and b2 equals 5. For c2, so you can write any number because c2 is not the important term here. So the second linear equation we can write it 3x plus, from the above value, 3x plus 5y plus 10 equals 0. For the parallel line, the scenario is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 not equals c1 by c2. So let me write the a1, b1 value and c1 value. So 2 by a2 equals 3 by b2 not equals c1 is minus 8 by c2. For a2 4, b2 6. Let me check the value if it is correct or not, if it satisfies the condition or not. For a2 I write 4, for b2 I write 6. So if you divide this, if you simplify this, so you will get 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is equal. For the third term, which is not equal c1 by c2, for c2 I am going to write any number, but it should not be equal to the b1 by b2, this term, right? Let's write 5, it definitely not equal to b1 by b2. So I write c2 for 5, 5 for c2. Now the linear equation, second linear equation is a2x, 4x plus 6y plus 5 equals 0. For the coincident lines, the scenario is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. For a2 and b2, I am going to put the same value, 4 and 6, which means what we did, 2 by, for a1 2, for a2 4, for b1 3 by 6. So if you reduce this, I will get 1. This is what we done the previous problem, right? For the parallel lines. But in this case, C1 by C2 also equal this term. For C1 we have minus 8. If I write minus 16, then the both, if I reduce it, the all three values are equal now, right? Which means the equation verified. What is the value for C2? Minus 16. From the above value, we can write the linear equation, which is a2x, which is 4x, plus b2y, which is 6y, plus c2, here we have minus 16, equals 0. This is the linear equation for coincident lines.